What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode I really wanted to make a video about NFTs, but after doing my research, I realized to understand NFTs, one must first understand Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world behind Bitcoin. So on today's episode, please give me 5 minutes to explain what Ethereum is, how it works, and also how its development could lead to the downfall of companies like Amazon and Uber. You may remember a previous Gimme 5 video about Bitcoin and blockchain technology, linked down below. If you watched that video, you'll remember that currency that uses blockchain technology is essentially a long list of transactions that everyone has access to. And this allows for a decentralized monetary system that isn't overseen or altered by one central authority. The goal of Ethereum is to apply this concept of the blockchain to more than just currency. You see, Ethereum isn't actually a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that allows people to create applications that can run using a blockchain. To get a better understanding of this, let's revisit our high school Flamas economy seen from episode 1. If you recall, you and your friends distribute Flamas between each other, and everyone writes this down on their own sheet of paper. If someone tries messing with the numbers, everyone else can call out and correct that issue because everyone has a sheet of transactions. This is the concept of a blockchain system, where it's basically a long list of things in the form of multiple blocks, and each person has access to the list, which makes this a fully decentralized system, with no single person making decisions or holding the records. So this is great. We don't have to put our trust in one single person or organization to hold our precious Flamas. But that's just for exchanging Flamas. What if we wanted to exchange Flamas for a good or a service, just like how any real currency is used? That process itself isn't on the blockchain, only the payment aspect of it is. To illustrate how this could become an issue, let's say that person A wants to pay person B 2 Flamas for doing their homework for them. But maybe person B is feeling out of it that day, so they say, I'll give you the homework tomorrow, but can I get the Flamas now? So person A reluctantly says, okay fine, I'll give you the Flamas, you can give me the homework tomorrow. And everyone in the Flamas economy writes down that person A paid person B 2 Flamas on the blockchain. Tomorrow rolls around, and person B doesn't have the homework they said they would have. Person A says, alright, give me the 2 Flamas back. Person B says no. Person A tries to plead their case to the others, but the others don't know the full story, and it turns into an A said, B said situation. And it ends up that person A gets cheated out of 2 Flamas. After this debacle, innovative thinker person C comes along and proposes something called a smart contract. In this contract, person A will put in 2 Flamas, and if person B delivers the homework by the due date, then they will get the 2 Flamas. Otherwise, the Flamas go back to person A. This will work like a regular contract between 2 people, except they're going to put this contract on to the blockchain. In this way, everyone knows that the contract exists, and if person B tries to scam person A again, they'll be called out by everyone. So this is what Ethereum is. It's a blockchain where instead of just putting money transactions on it, like how Bitcoin works, you can additionally put these smart contracts on it. The money that's paid to someone once a contract occurs is unfortunately not Flamas, it's Ether, which is the actual cryptocurrency associated with Ethereum. On a side note, when someone buys or invests in Ethereum, they're really buying Ether. The currency works the same way as Bitcoin, in that it's virtual and it's recorded on a blockchain. And as said earlier, when a contract results in paying someone, they are paid in Ether. Additionally, if someone wants a contract to happen in the first place, they'll usually have to pay some Ether up front for it to happen. Smart contracts, which are really just lines of code, allow for so much more to happen on a decentralized network than just money transactions. You can develop one-on-one contracts between people, create and trade NFTs, more to come in a future video, and even develop decentralized internet apps, also called D-apps. Decentralized internet apps, what does that even mean? It's common to think of the internet as decentralized because anyone can post on it and the government, at least in the US, doesn't control what gets seen or goes through. However, today most internet traffic goes through only a handful of websites and applications, most of whom are run by large companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. All of these applications are truthfully centralized because they're typically run by one company that makes decisions and carries out actions for people. So for example, looking at Amazon. Let's say you're looking to buy something, so you go to Amazon.com or the Amazon app on your phone. Here the app will connect you, the buyer, with other sellers, and also probably display some of Amazon's own products. While you're on the site, they also might download some of your data. And if you buy something, some of that money goes to the seller, and the rest of that money goes to Amazon for facilitating the transaction. Hopefully that shows how a process like that is centralized, and also some of the problems that could arise from it. Whether it be online shopping, car ride services, or sports gambling, we are going to one central middleman to carry out many services. And furthermore, we are paying these middlemen extra just for being there. We're paying for the online good and additionally paying Amazon. We're paying the Uber driver and additionally paying Uber for the service. And as shown in a previous video, we're paying a tax every time we bet on DraftKings. With Ethereum's decentralized platform, people can create apps that can directly connect buyers to sellers, directly connect customers to drivers, and also let 2 people place a bet with each other without having to pay a tax, all done through blockchain technology. If you want to learn more about how blockchain technology works for cryptocurrencies, you can check out the video right here. If you want to learn how Ethereum is important for NFTs, you can check out the video right here, which if it's not here, it should be coming out shortly. And also if you want more 5-minute videos, subscribe to the channel right here. Thanks for watching.